Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I will like to show you the way how you can change or rename the title of the project that you have on the VN application with the iPhone. So renaming the project will help you to find out what exactly you made on this project without open the project itself to understand what you are making on. So here is the way. You just need to open the iPhone, slide into the left side, open the VN application, and then here is the logo. Make sure that yours stay in the home sections right here, and now you just need to find the project that you are working on. Right after you found it, you just need to tap into the three small dots. If you can see here, the name of the project for each is the name that the latest this project being open or where the project here being closed. So May 24th 2024 mean that I open or I create this into the May 24th 2024. So I cannot remember what exactly I'm making in those days. So to make it simple, just tap into these three small dots and then just need to tap into the rename, and then you just need to change the title from this date into what the topic of the project that you are working on. Let's say here remove object, so it could tell that this video is about removing object from the video with the VN application. Now you just need to click done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comments below and let's meet again into other tutorial.